What's good, y'all? Welcome back to this channel. So this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, I'll have my shop and stuff down below. Focus this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Become a part of the crochet game. And y'all, for this video, I'm using my laptop. So I thought this would be like a fun, like little webcam almost. I guess like a face-to-face webcam type video. Y'all know kind of like the early 2000s, like Y2K type videos people used to do on their like cameras and stuff. Like, I feel like this would be that type video. So y'all, if you don't know, Anaya Leanne on YouTube, in her Discord, we all in the Discord, and we working on this project. And I had put mine down, so I want to work on it again. Y'all, if you don't watch her videos, you should watch her video. Y'all, she do like a lot of fun videos and stuff. And the reason why I stopped working on this project is because I know I'm gonna run out of yarn, and I'm scared I'm gonna run out of yarn. So yeah, y'all, this is my first time doing this type of video, y'all. This is my first time actually filming, like a video on like my laptop or whatever. So we gonna see how this goes. As y'all see, I got a lot done. I don't really know if I could really talk about it or nothing because it's like in a Discord. You would just have to like go to her channel and then hop in the Discord. Y'all, I don't even know where to start it. I guess I'll start on this leg. But yeah, y'all, I just know I'm about to run out of yarn, so I'm kind of scared. So yeah, y'all, I just want to come on here, crochet with y'all. And y'all, if you have any project that you've been holding off, don't hold off on no more. Also, y'all, today is Wednesday. So this is Whip Wednesday. So go ahead, get your whip. Go grab your project. Y'all, don't come for me, but like, I have all the yarn and stuff in this Dollar Tree bag, and it's starting to get like tangled up and stuff. Also, y'all, I don't really know. Look like I started to roll this up, and I just kind of stopped rolling it up. Oh, we're just gonna use this little piece right here. Y'all, I really don't even know what I'm really gonna talk about and stuff in this video. As y'all see, y'all, let's start off with that. Y'all see, this is my yarn, like on my yarn wall. But y'all see, I'm getting my like little wall together here. I got like my little tapestries and stuff. That video about these rings will be coming out soon. I made this. It needs to be kind of blocked because you see the way it's hanging. I don't really like the colors on this, but it's cute. As y'all see, my green square wall hanging is already, that tutorial is already up on my channel. As y'all see, I'm kind of like getting it together here. I still want to like switch it up, cause I have so much stuff I made, y'all, that I want to put on the wall. And I got to figure out like a good way to put it on the wall. But anyway, y'all, we're just going to be crocheting in chat, pick those whips up. Y'all, we gonna see how this video goes. If y'all like this video, if y'all want me to do more videos like this, cause y'all, this is so far it's kind of fun to film on my laptop. Okay, hold on, y'all. I'm trying to start this first stitch for this row. But anyway, y'all, one of the topics or one of the things I did want to talk about is, y'all, like, first, so I'll basically, y'all, I make bracelets and stuff. I do need to do more of that on this channel, y'all. I do have a shop. I do y'all don't know, my shop will be down below. You check it out. I make a lot of jewelry and crochet items. But basically, y'all, like, when I was looking up different words, like, for fiber art and stuff, y'all, it's so many, like, I feel like it's so many, like, well, how can I explain this? Like, y'all, I feel like it's so many arts in the fiber art world, y'all. I feel like it's so much stuff that's, like, I guess you could say underrated, if that makes any sense. You understand what I'm saying? Like, y'all, it's like a lot of different things. And not saying people not doing these things. I just feel like I don't see a lot of people doing it or talking about it. Like, for example, y'all, weaving. Y'all haven't done weaving in so long. I remember I was in this little art camp at school, and we did do some weaving. I want to do more of that, y'all. They show us how to do weaving. There's also videos on YouTube. You can do weaving with straws, paper plates. Like, I think we should do that. That could be a fun video idea. But y'all, it's like weaving. A lot of people do tuffing, y'all. A lot of people that do tuffing, that looks so fun. Like the way they be tuffing with the tool they use, and the way they be making like the big rugs and stuff. Y'all, that be looking really fun. Y'all, we just crocheting. Y'all see, it's a really big project. That's why I'm like kind of scared. I just got a feeling I'm about to run out of yarn. But y'all, it's like tuffing, weaving, like it's just so much more. Not saying that stuff hasn't been there, but it's like I don't really see a lot of people doing those type of things. There's some other things I can't really think of right now, like felting, weaving, tuffing. Y'all, I do want to get into spinning yarn because I definitely want to try that. I've actually dyed yarn before, and that's actually fun. But y'all, I'm gonna do it, but I want to do a bigger amount because anytime I like dye yarn, it was always like a little small piece. Y'all, also film this on my bed, so hopefully like the thing is not shaking too much. But y'all, let me know if that's a topic that y'all like. If y'all understand what I'm saying. Hopefully, I'm using. If y'all understand what I'm saying, I don't know if the words is coming out like I want it to, like I want how I want it to be said. But anyway, wait, y'all, I'm using the wrong color. Okay, y'all, I only want to do this. I feel like I don't know, y'all. Sometimes I just be using. I'll start crocheting just to realize I'm using the wrong color. Like the color I picked up the first time is the one I should be using. Also, y'all, another thing I want to make. I don't know if I'm gonna do a video on it. But another thing that's like back in style is ponchos. And y'all, I've been seeing a lot of really cute ponchos, and I want to make one. Also, y'all, I did film a short, like I think around last year. I don't know if I did a video on it. I think I might have, but like for the past few years, y'all, I make myself like one of those little cute little shawls you could like wear on your like shoulder, on your legs, like you just wear it anywhere. And I do think I want to do it again. I feel like that's like a new trend I started. And what I want to do for mine is that I want to hold on, y'all. I'm trying to do this few little stitches right here. Y'all, for mine this time when I make my little shawls that I've been doing it for a few years now. I want to make it bigger because I usually just use like one skein of like lion brand yarn. So I think I might do that. But also, y'all, for the poncho, I don't know what color or anything I want to use. So y'all, this video not gonna be too long, but I'm gonna try to give y'all a little longer video. Y'all, this has been fun so far doing this. Y'all, I need to pick this project back up. I've definitely, like, I just know I'm gonna lose to yarn chicken, but I want to hurry up and finish it. And then, y'all, it's fall time, so this is, like, be the perfect time to finish this. Also, y'all, I haven't really started. I started on the knit one. I gotta get back to doing it, y'all. I had started on, like, this little knit cardigan. I'm gonna try to do it all in kind of, like, one panel. So, what I'm basically going to do is after I finish the back panel, I'm going to just kind of split. Then I'll just start working on one side, the next side, so I won't have to really do no too much sewing when I have to like sew the panels together. I want to make like a cute little small cardigan. I kind of want to like do a crochet version too, y'all, because it is about to be fall time, y'all, and I want to have like more little like cropped jackets and stuff. So y'all, I don't know how much rolls we go get off on this. Y'all, I don't really know what else to really talk about though. Y'all, I've been making a lot of tapestries. I kind of slowed down now, but I want to get back to making tapestries. Also, y'all, sometimes soon I'm going to use like my knitting machine. I have my Centro. I did pull out the other day. I don't be pulling it out as much, and I want to pull it out. I also have a small one that I want to start pulling out more, y'all. Let me know if I want to do a video on that. I definitely wouldn't mind making a few things off that. Y'all, this like little, I guess it's like almost like a webcam video. This is kind of fun. Y'all, if y'all have any tips, I know this is off topic, but this is like a little crochet video. But if y'all have any tips on how y'all could like fix the collar of your shirt and stuff, let me know. But y'all, I think I'm about to try to just finish this. As y'all see, our hair's kind of messed up, so I think what I'm gonna do is just try to finish this row. Then I guess I'll see y'all later. But if y'all haven't subscribe, become a part of the crochet gang. Y'all let me know if y'all like this type of video. This is my first time doing it. Y'all, I do have to do a late night crafting again. I'm gonna have to start back doing that. There's also some other challenges I like doing that I wanna do more of. And y'all, a lot of times in the morning time I don't really just get to sit down. It is morning time when I'm filming this, y'all. I think it's like 10, 11, something right now. I don't really get to like crochet sometimes like that, you know, because I be doing other things. So this was just like a nice little crochet sesh. Y'all, now that I'm working on this, I want to work on this. I kind of want to finish this now that I'm working on it. But anyway, y'all. Also, y'all, I've been doing a lot more double stranding lately. So actually, this hook that I'm using has been my go-to hook lately. This is a 5.50 millimeter. Y'all, this has been my go-to hook because I've been doing a lot of double stranding, scrap yarn projects. Even if it's not scrap yarn, I just been doing a lot of scrappy looking projects. But anyway, y'all, we go finish this row off. Y'all, I don't know when I'm posting this. I am kind of doing this on a Wednesday, so maybe y'all, I'll post on Wednesday anyway. So this was like a perfect video. This is gonna probably be like a Whip Wednesday type video. Also, y'all, let me know like some video ideas I could do. Y'all, I know fall time is coming. I know a lot of people that do fiber arts or crochet and knit and stuff. I know fall is like, I feel like that's like every crocheters or knitters like favorite time of the year, because you can make like different sweaters and blankets. Like that's when all the sweaters and cardigans and all that pop out, and then like the colors. Y'all, I think now that I'm thinking about it, y'all, I think I want to make something with really like a really, I guess, dark color palette, like some like a maroon or a burgundy or something. I feel like that'd be cute. Okay, y'all, we about to cut this off. And y'all, I lost my scissors. Y'all, if I don't lose my scissors, oh, here you go. Y'all, if I don't lose the scissors, it's either I lost my scissors or I lost my crochet hook or I lost my stitch markers. Y'all, cutting this color off. Anyway, y'all, that's gonna be it for this video. I don't want to make this video too long. Y'all, hopefully y'all was understanding what I was saying in this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Also, y'all, make sure y'all subscribe, become a part of the crochet gang, and I'll see y'all for another video. Let me know if y'all want to do more videos like this, because this like webcam type video was actually fun. So I'll see y'all next week for another video.